One sunny morning, a young elephant wandered into a beautiful forest, hoping to find new friends. Looking up, the elephant saw a playful monkey swinging happily from branch to branch. The elephant gathered his courage and spoke kindly.
Will you be my friend?
The monkey smiled politely, but he had a different
We can't
answer.
be friends. You're too big.
After walking for a while, the elephant met a little rabbit near a tiny burrow. Once again, the elephant asked hopefully,
Will you be my friend?
We can't be friends. You're too big to
The
play in
rabbit
my burrow.
smiled gently, but he shook his head. The elephant walked deeper into the forest until he came to a peaceful pond where a cheerful frog was happily jumping from rock to rock. The elephant smiled kindly and asked the same question once again.
Will you be my friend?
The little frog smiled, but he gently
We can't
shook
be
his head.
friends. You're too big to leap around like me.
Soon, the elephant met a clever fox playing happily in a sunny forest clearing. Hoping for a different answer, the elephant asked once more.
Will you be my friend?
Once again, the elephant heard the answer he didn't want.
I'm sorry. You're just too big for us to play together.
Suddenly, frightened animals came running through the forest. The elephant gently stopped a frightened bear to ask what was happening.
What's wrong? Why is everyone running?
A tiger is trying to gobble us all up! Everyone is hiding!
The bear pointed toward the forest with fear in his eyes. The elephant knew he couldn't run away. He had to help. Deep inside the forest, a fierce tiger appeared.
Please, Mr. Tiger, don't eat these poor animals!
The elephant stood between the tiger and the frightened animals.
Mind your own business.
The tiger became furious. The tiger charged toward the elephant with all his strength. At the last second, the brave elephant defended himself. The frightened tiger realized he had been defeated and ran away as fast as he could. One by one, the frightened animals came out of hiding. The animals finally understood how special their new friend really was.
us.
The animals had changed their minds.
You are just the right size to be our friend.
Everyone has their own strengths. Appreciate and be grateful to have them as one of your friends.